Welcome to the Aftermarket Intelligence Hub by Wolk and Nikolic After Sales Intelligence, your central command center for the European aftermarket. From this single dashboard, you have direct access to our complete suite of data modules. Find the latest relevant news on the European aftermarket that really matters. Explore the distribution overview, analyze aftermarket volumes, and track vehicles in operation, all fully available for both passenger cars and trucks. You can also dive into our e-commerce insights or monitor the Aftermarket Barometer, which captures the quarterly health and condition of independent workshops. And right here is the workshop landscape, which we will explore in detail today. Welcome to our Workshop Network dashboard. Here, we provide comprehensive insights into workshop structures and concepts across 39 European countries. Currently, the dashboard tracks over 458,000 unique workshop locations without any double counting. Looking at the market split, 15% of these locations belong to the authorized network or original equipment service, accounting for roughly 70,000 workshops. The vast majority, 85%, belong to the independent aftermarket. Let us narrow our focus to Germany. The dashboard instantly breaks down the network into specific workshop types. You can distinguish between multi-brand mechanic garages, authorized workshops, and specialists like tire, auto glass, or body and paint shops. Below, you can also track the historical development of these networks since 2012. Diving deeper into the independent market in Germany, we see again the split into the different workshop types, but also the shares of truly independent versus system-affiliated. We also categorize these affiliations by relational structure. You can easily see whether a workshop is part of a loose partner system, a strictly owned chain, a franchise, or a subsystem, allowing you to gauge the tightness of the relationship. Scrolling down reveals the workshop by concept owner. Here, you can easily identify the largest network operators in the country. For example, major distributors often run several different workshop concepts, covering a massive network. You can also filter by owner type, such as component manufacturers like Bosch, to instantly see who leads the market. Of course, you can also search by a specific system name directly and run a multi-dimension query on the data. At the bottom, we provide concise profiles for each system. Selecting an operator like Auto Service reveals their global and European footprint, plotting affiliated workshop outlets. Note that while this tool visualizes the networks beautifully, the raw address data is also available as a separate offering for your CRM or mailing campaigns. Now, let us switch to the authorized side of the market. Here, we track brand contracts. Because many car dealerships handle multiple brands, there are naturally more brand contracts than physical locations. You can easily filter by brand groupings, like Volkswagen, Stellantis, or BMW, to analyze their specific networks. Another crucial perspective is our car dealer groups view. In Germany alone, we track 175 different dealer groups managing over 2,300 outlets. Each group features a dedicated profile detailing its corporate structure, affiliations, and regional footprint. To bring it all together, you can visualize independent shops, authorized dealers, and dealer groups on a combined geographic map. Furthermore, you can filter the landscape between passenger cars and trucks, access our detailed methodology for counting logic, or download the entire dataset to Excel for offline analysis. Finally, the dashboard is fully mobile-friendly. Whether you are at your desk or on the road, you can quickly look up any workshop network, check their reach, and understand exactly who they belong to. This is market intelligence that powers smarter decisions, faster. The distribution overview is part of the Aftermarket Intelligence Hub by Wolk and Nikolic After Sales Intelligence. A demo version is available. Reach out to us today and see it for yourself.